Hi, my name is Scott Zackow,
And I'm Kendrick Ramsey.
and we are students at SVA's MFA IXD program. And for the Adobe Creative Jam, we created a 50 Reefs Initiative interactive web app. Our goal was to use data visualization and interactive storytelling to educate, engage, and inspire people to action. Our target user for this web app is to be a wide range of male and females. We wanted the product to possess a strong educational component with a splash of entertainment. For example, we could see it being used as a tool in a classroom setting to build awareness around climate change and the importance of coral reefs, somewhat similar to how zoo books did it back in the day or National Geographic. We could also see this web app being used as a viral piece of interactive content that gets passed around the internet on blog sites. We established very early on that we did not want to create a mobile app. Browser apps are much more inclusive and accessible. We thought that we would have much more success with donations if someone didn't have to download the thing in the first place. We also decided that we did not want to include a community component. We believed that it would be smarter to leverage the communities that already exist to spread awareness. We didn't want to have any strings attached to the experience, and we wanted to entice the user to discover and explore the Ocean Agency's portfolio of reefs and connect with the core mission. For these reasons, we think that our product has a higher probability of reaching a larger audience and inciting more action. Our design goals were to visually show the scale of the initiative. We were struck by the sheer size of the 50 Reef Initiative. We wanted to express the enormity of the issue and effort to save the reefs through design. We also wanted to create an emotional connection. We wanted the user to have a front row seat to the action so that they could see for themselves the positive impact being created. We also thought that transparency was very important. We wanted the user to be able to track how the funds were being used in real time. And last, we wanted to harness the power of a visual narrative. Visual narratives are the most powerful form of storytelling, and we wanted to leverage the Ocean Agency's deep library of visual assets to tell stories in a new and interactive medium.
To start, we're going to explain the landing page. We tease the concept of the 50 Reef Initiative and visually entice the user to scroll down and explore the coral reef below. First, we display the mission of the initiative to provide context. For the curious user, we wanted to answer the simple question: why do the coral reefs matter? We wanted to create an interactive visual narrative that guides the user through a timeline of videos, sheds light on the impact of coral reefs on our environment and economy. The videos will start automatically. The user can hover over the timeline to read the important facts while watching the video. They can skip in between the videos. Then we answer the second most important question: what is a reef star? We envision a visual narrative in the same style as Why the Coral Reefs Matter videos to educate the user on how the Ocean Agency plans to use the initiative and sustainable resource to strengthen the vital coral populations.
The centerpiece of our web app is the interactive conservation map, a bird's eye view of the 50 Reefs portfolio that visually implies the size and scale of the initiative. The map allows the users to explore the different regions of the 50 Reef portfolio, learn about their ecosystems, and track the Ocean Agency's grassroots efforts in real time. We use the glowing gone colors to highlight the coral reefs in the portfolio. In the final product, the user can scroll through the different regions to highlight their locations on the map, or hover over the regions on the map. We use the form of the reef star to create a progress bar for total funds raised, as well as a link to the Why Coral Matters interactive story. We believed it was important to provide context to the experience. We wanted this experience to be shared, and we wanted to make sure that a new user coming directly to the map could digest enough information to make sense of the initiative and cause. When the user clicks on an area of the map or on the navigational slider on the right, the map zooms in to a specific region. In the location view, users can connect to the pressing issues that face that region. Because the goal of the 50 Reef Initiative is to eventually repopulate the world's coral population, we included the percentage of coral reef fish and coral species that are native to the region to reinforce how important it is to save these specific reefs. To strengthen the connection of the user to the cause, we included interactive videos on the map that showcase the grassroots efforts of the initiative and educate the user on the ecosystem. In the final project, we would want these videos to be updated regularly so that users can stay up to date with the current efforts.
We wanted to make sure that the storytelling was always interactive and engaging. So in this example, the video highlights a restore restoration taking place, and the user can click on the hotspots throughout the video for additional context. Our hope is the emotional connection created through the visual narratives would inspire people to donate. We wanted to provide different options for different types of users. We also want to frame the donations in terms of reef stars to make it more tangible. We offer 1, 5 do-it-yourself monthly donations. If the user donates monthly, we would want to see in them updates to keep them engaged with the Ocean Agency's efforts. To involve companies, we wanted to offer them the opportunity to donate or partner on video campaigns hosted on the map. We see this interactive map as a platform to expand, grow, and more value in time as the initiative progresses.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, Adobe. We really had a fun time working on the project.
Really did. Thank you for this opportunity and hope to see you soon.